Today we are going to make pork adobo, and here are the ingredients that we are going to use. Some vinegar, soy sauce, sugar that's optional. We have black pepper, onions, bay leaves, some potatoes, garlic, and of course our meat. Let's start off by heating up the pan. Let's put some oil. Saute the onions and garlic. After a couple minutes or so, we can add the meat. We are just gonna brown the meat. Once it's brown, we can add our soy sauce. Next, we can add the vinegar. Okay, we can add bay leaves, pepper to taste. We're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes or so. And lastly, we can add our potatoes. And let's wait for another 5 minutes. And it's almost ready. Looks like potatoes are done. It's nice and tender. Ta-da! Here's our simple pork adobo. Enjoy! It's best served with rice. And today it looks like we have somebody that's going to taste our adobo. Do you like it? Clap your hands if you do. Panalo! Yay! Want some more? Oh. Bye everyone. See you on the next video.